You know what to expect from your show.
Thank you.
Yes. Do you guys want napkins too?
Tagging, cutting the okonomiyaki. Perfect. Okay. Outfit check. Outfit check. Outfit check.
It's gonna rain today.
Yeah. Bring an umbrella. Okay, let's go. Bye. Where's yours? Are you gonna buy that, or are you gonna buy the toad hat?
This one?
Okay.
I don't think I could bring the toad hat back home anyways.
It's something. I got Snoopy. Oh. Your own dojo.
Photos are bad, but it's okay. Oh yeah, wait, Jen has to be in it. Come back in, because you have the Mario headband. So you have to be in this.
Gross, bro. They sell bangers? What is that?
Bangers. The only banger I know is Miley Cyrus's 2014 album.
Where is she going? She always does that, where she doesn't tell anybody and she just wanders off. Half pint.
What if you guys want some beef steak? Half pint. How is it? Is it like bangkok? No.
Okay, there's a name on the hat. Let me see. Yeah, there is a white guy. I'm so confused.
Who is that?
I wish I knew. Here, let me ask my YouTube audience. Look, let's turn around with your toes. Wow. This is like the Mario movie where he went to New York. Bowser's Castle. Yeah. Peaches, peaches, peaches.
Sing it while you record that.
Peaches, peaches, peaches.
Damn, what's around here? Oh. Fire Bowser.
Blue, blue.
Oh, snap. Oh. Yeah.
Spike ball. Spike ball.
I'm showing skin.
Poor. Alpha check. Vivian's outfit check.
Yeah. I need to go piss.
Okay.
What? Oh. live from Osaka Castle. This is Vivian. Look, stop. I'm embarrassed. What day is it? April 4th, 2024.
Oh.
It's a cherry blossom.
Happy birthday, Sakura!
Oh, happy birthday, Sakura. From Japan.
No! You mean to tell me this big old castle don't got elevators? Jennifer, turn around. Oh my gosh! Oh. Wow. Okay, tell them what's happening.
So today is April 4th, and we are supposed to stay one more night and leave tomorrow. But apparently, when we booked the hotel, we put for checkout April 4th. So it's currently 11:40, and you're supposed to check out by 11. The hotel just sent Jen a text. So she's calling them to see.
I think she can hear us.
She's calling them to see if we can extend the date by one more night. And we know where else. So we can't even do anything. We can't even go back and like grab all our stuff. Like they're gonna throw it. Not there, you know.
What matters is how we handle all this together and still remain friends.
Together, as in Jennifer's the one making the phone call.
I know, I feel so bad. First she books the wrong flight. It's gonna be so bad.
It's crazy. It's crazy.
Wow, this is for Naomi.
Should I try the raw one first?
Okay.
I'm gonna just send it.
Okay.
This is a fat scallop, by the way.
Yeah.
So thick.
Is it good? It's sweet, right?
It's so fresh. Y'all, that was bussin'. I wish I could like bottle this taste. Hey, look who showed up. Welcome, Jennifer. We're just filming this.
Is that raw?
Yeah, it's real. How was your walk? You think that's good? You're gonna love the raw one. It wasn't a surcharge?
I don't think surcharge is because he just charged me for one extra item. It was like $120. Oh, sorry, €1.
Good, right?
Is it special? So we were just here.
So we're taking a vlog. Just got out.
It was very good.
It was super fun. 10 out of 10. If you're ever in Osaka, you gotta do this tour.
And they gave you a free glass.
You get a free beer glass.
Yeah.
This tour costs like what, like $8?
Yeah.
They give you 2 free beers, souvenir glass,
Pretzels.
a fire tour experience. Like we're out here like gassing this place up like we're Asahi like brand ambassadors.
I can only drink
That's hella funny because we used to ride for Kieran like all the time, and now after this, it's Asahi only.
Kieran, oh my god.
Don't say that, so wrong, Kieran.
Yeah, I'm full on Asahi.
Come here.
They've been brewing since 1889. Wow. I don't even think the Civil War happened.
Oh my. Is it still on me? Okay. I just got this to be different.
No, yours
as well.
Yours looks so. Oh.
I just want it to be different.
Why?
So we go try other things.
It looks like the same thing, but in different forms.
It looks different.
Taste test. Go ahead. Oh, at least yours comes with the salad.
Yeah, I kind of wanted that too.
Yeah. Is it good? Maybe so. Look, it says Sakura. Okay. Put it away now. Overall, do you like it?
It's a little fruity aftertaste.
Okay. Look like that. We're cheering it.
Get it from this angle. Wait, okay. Secret. Let me. The behind the scenes cut. All right. We get it from here.
Okay.
Did you take like a chomp out the top or something?
Yeah, I'm going top down.
This is the normal way. This is weird.
Let me know if I might hit someone.
Okay, okay. Ooh.
Crazy workout.
Hey, Vivian will love this. She loves to row. OMG.
Whoa, you're moving so fast.
Where am I going?
I don't know. Turn more this way. Okay, that's it. That's enough. That's enough. You're turning too much. You're turning too much.
Okay.
Dude, let me know when you're tired.
Huh?
Let me know when you're
We
tired.
hit so much. We would literally capsize.
Damn it.
Why are we not moving? I'm definitely doing something wrong.
You're moving.
Oh, I'm moving?
Yeah. There's fire. There's romantic, huh? Okay, now start going back. You regret
Like
this?
a dragon boat
I thought
rider.
we were both gonna row. That would have been so funny because we would both be like, go this way, go that way.
Oh wait, there's video? Do you mind? Oh my goodness.
Camel River vlog. Okay, it's really dark for me too, but you know what? It's alright. You guys, they can feel the vibe. It's hella shaky video.
No stabilize.
Hi everybody. Vivian's not here. It's just me and them because Vivian got food poisoning. Okay, bye. I wonder if anyone knows what that is.
I see it. Point towards that.
This guy. It's Polite Boy.
Dude, they must be starving.
She says it's gonna change my life. This tiramisu. Okay, eat it.
No, you eat it.
Inhaled matcha. Almost took me out though.
I really ran out so you went above this.
Okay, we can literally get a phone. Drop our
You
phone.
click record us.
You guys, I don't know if you can see. We're walking down the streets of Tokyo. What are you talking about? We're in Tokyo. We're walking down the street.
We're literally in... What city are we in? We're not in Tokyo, you trouble.
Are you serious? We're
Wait,
literally in
like the
Tokyo.
province? We're in Shinjuku City.
Where's that?
In the province
Of what?
of Japan. One of the provinces in Japan.
It's in Tokyo.
Okay, but Tokyo is really big. It's be specific.
Okay, but you literally just said we're not in Tokyo.
Okay, so
Well, anyway, we keep fighting, you guys. We keep fighting, and Vivian's not here to just break us apart. Today, we ate at the izakaya that Yoshitomo Nara ate at. Insert pics here. Because I didn't want to vlog in their place. It was really intimate. It was the best meal we've ever had. Actually, sorry. It was the best meal we had during this trip so far.
I mean, you've had.
You literally said during the bar that it was your favorite meal so far. I need to cut the cameras. I'm gonna keep fighting. Hi guys. Cut. Hold on. Hi guys. We just got back from a long day in Tokyo. Here are some images of what we did.
Are you doing like the transition?
Yeah.
Can I help with the transition? This is Yen's favorite Pokemon.
That is not my favorite Pokemon.
Is that your least favorite Pokemon?
I never said that. I also met up with my family friend Amy-chan and her parents, and she got me. I told her I like Doraemon one time, and she got me hella Doraemon.
Oh, she was so cute.
Yeah, she got me a handkerchief. Oh, no, she got me a little pouch, and she got me a little hairclip. Oh, here, let me put. This is the worst vlog ever. I shipped a package to Emmy's house, and she gave it to me, and we're gonna do an unboxing right now when Jennifer grabs it. Grab our thing. You can do the honors.
Oh. Do you have enough storage?
I have enough storage. I don't know if I have enough battery because I didn't bring my charger. If it does, it does.
Remember to pack an extra battery, but not the charger. No. It's cooked. You were only gonna see Japan and nothing of Korea. Ooh. You are?
Our shirts.
What?
A mistake has been made.
What happened?
There's supposed to be 2 of each. Is there 2 shirts in there? Why only one of each? They charge you for 2.
Oh dear.
And only one a long top.
Oh.
Oh.
Can you email them?
Wow. Oh wow. This is fire though. No, I was wondering, this package is a little small. Wow, oh wow. You know what? Let's split. No. We have to split it. Would you rather the shirt or the cloth?
You choose.
Because I have your socks right here.
Oh
You-
man, I got socks. You can have both.
You know when we said like, hey, let's not call it yet because the day is still young? This is what we meant. Every day is eventful.
What? Hey, got this hat.
Oh, that's a cute hat.
Yeah.
On the back.
Wow, socks.
Good Records. Is that their
Wow.
studio or something?
Yeah, it's for the Record Playboy thing.
Ah.
Okay, if I have to choose, I'll choose the cloth. You have the shirt.
Are you for real?
Yeah.
This is more fire.
Really?
So you actually want the one?
I actually want that one.
Oh, okay. I actually want the shirt.
Oh, fine. Hey.
Take
Yeah, it works out.
That's fire.
Yeah. It all worked out in the end.
Yeah.
Yay, I wanted a cloth. No, look at the second hand.
Hey, is my nose bleeding?
Don't zoom in. Look at the. It's like a fish.
Ah, it is a fish. Well, you know, every day is exciting on this trip. Unpredictable.
The worst is yet to come, I fear.
No, don't say that. The best is yet to come. You ain't ever listened to BTS?
Huh?
Yet to Come by BTS?
Moment is yet to come, yet to come.
I said we're gonna meet BTS.
Oh my god, I'm manifesting it. JK, I think half of them are in the military.
I'm eating matcha tiramisu ice cream sandy. It's $5. I thought this was vanilla ice cream, but it's actually tiramisu cream. Yes.
I'm eating yakisoba bread. It's currently 11:53 p.m. and I didn't vlog the entire day. Oh, I thought I ended the video. I didn't vlog the entire day. But I have a haul. This coin pouch for my coins. And then I bought this shirt from Kirsch.
I'm gonna leave my phone here.
Okay.
Help me put this on. Are you vlogging?
Mm-hmm.
From where? Oh. You can vlog this, me putting on this this tattoo tape to go to the onsen by myself.
I don't want to be Nikki's.
It's fine if like a little bit peeks out.
Okay. I also think you're Yakuza.
Yeah, this Caro, you know, I'm repping the gang right now.
Yay!
Time is it?
Have fun. 11:53.
I'll be back. Well, I'll try to be quiet if you guys are sleeping.
It's okay. And then I got this shirt from X Girl. Actually, I got it from Second Street, but it's X Girl, which is the best brand ever. And then I got this shirt from actual X Girl, the store. And then I got these pants from Curse with cherry on the butt. Like, they don't even fit me well, but I bought it because of the cherry on the butt. And then I bought General Monsters. General Monster glasses. Went to a live show at Shelter, which was the live house in Bochi the Rock. And then we saw 4 groups or 4 bands. Insert clip here. Umitachi! Umitachi's bassist. Please open an Instagram.
Hockey from Kevin Mark. From X Girl at the thrift store. My home Dickies because might need to unbutton at some point. These are easy to unbutton, you know? This I bought this acne studio bag yesterday. And this eye, done by Dan. This eye, done by me, so don't look too close. And I mean, oh, you're from Kevin Mark? Bring me back. Wait. What? And do little stain. No, on the back.
Yeah.
But it's old. Okay. My X Girl shirt. Then my first pants. Wait, the cherry over that.
The page is like inverted. That's not real woman. We're wet studio, no? Oh. I don't know why it was off.